Are you looking for a nice place to stay in Sapporo this winter? Hi everyone, this is Kurtashing Adventures and today I'm bringing you to our winter getaway in Sapporo, Japan. We stayed at Mercure Sapporo right in the heart of Susukino. Perfect spot for exploring the city during the snowy season. Getting to this hotel is very easy. If you're coming from the new Chitose Airport, just take the JR Rapid Airport train to Sapporo Station. And from Sapporo Station, hop on the subway Nanboku line and get off at Susukino Station. From there, the hotel is just about 3 to 5 minute walk. And the best part of this hotel is its location. Since it's in Susukino, you are surrounded by restaurants, ramen shops, izakayas, and shopping spots. There is even a convenience store just beside the hotel. The TV Tower and Odori Park, where the famous Sapporo Snow Festival happens every February, is just around 10 minutes away. The moment you step in the hotel, it gives you a cozy and modern vibe. Checking in is very hassle-free and smooth. The staff are friendly, they speak English, and they even give us map for recommendations around Susukino. Within minutes, we had our room keys and were ready to settle in. This hotel is one of the Accor hotels in the area. So we booked this through Accor Plus app and we get the discounted rates plus the benefits of the Platinum member. But don't worry, if you're not an Accor Plus member, you can book this hotel through Klook and still get discounted rates using my discount code KLOOKHECKLE. Now, let's have a quick room tour. We are staying at a superior room with 2 single beds plus 1 sofa bed that is good for 4 adults. The room is very spacious and it even comes with a working desk. They also provided a coffee maker and an electric kettle so you can prepare your hot tea. There's also a smart TV and you can also use this to watch video on demand na in-offer ng hotel. And now let's take a look inside the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, makita nyo yung bathtub and all the toiletries are already provided. Meron ng conditioner, shampoo, and bath soap. And of course, hindi mawawala ang automatic toilet. And in the sink area naman, there are more toiletries here, even the lotions, hand wash, and they also provided facial wash and toners. Our hotel window has a great view of the busy road and the restaurants outside. You can also see the TV tower here.
Hey guys, so dito na kami nagbe-breakfast na kami. Our first breakfast here in Mercure Sapporo. Ito yung kinuha namin, mga food. Ayan, madami ditong choices ng food. Meron sila, ito is Hokkaido curry soup. Chicken curry siya, pero malabnaw. And then this one, they also have mackerel, tas salmon, may bacon, may sausage. So, may mga fruits din sila and sweets. Tas may ice cream din dito. Tapos unlimited din yung drinks, kasama din yung soft drinks sa drinks nila dito. Ayan o, iniinom ni Ashley. Guys, dito sa breakfast, dito sa Mercure Sapporo, kahit sobrang lamig, they are serving ice cream. Ayan o, may ice cream sa breakfast buffet. And as Platinum member, they also serve as ice cream service. Ito o, mayroong ibang flavor pa ng ice cream na binigay sa amin. Ayan. Diniliver sa table namin. Tig-isa kami apat.
Our stay comes with free breakfast. And breakfast at Mercure Sapporo was another highlight of our stay. The buffet has a good mix of Japanese and Western dishes. Everything is fresh. They even offer salmon, mackerel, miso soup, rice, breads, and coffee. Sobrang dami talagang choices and even ice cream is on the menu. It is a perfect way to fuel up before exploring snowy Sapporo.
Good morning guys! Nandito na kami naka-check-in sa Mercure Sapporo. Tapos, kagabi pa kami nandito kaya lang hindi ako nakapag-video kasi na lobat tong camera ko. And right now, punta ako sa coin laundry. Meron silang different coin laundries. Meron sa 6th floor, 9th floor, tsaka sa 12th floor. So, doon ako sa 9th floor. Punta ngayon. Yung coin laundry. Tapos may vending machine din dito. Ayan. So, para makapagpapalit ako, I'll just buy something in the vendo machine. Tapos, saka ako maglalaba. Ito yung mga choices ng pag-laundry mo. This one, ibig sabihin ito, laundry and dry, pero 3 kilograms. Tapos, laundry and dry din to. Laundry lang, ito dry lang. Tapos, kailangan mo muna mag-choose ng type of laundry na gagawin mo, tsaka ka maghulog doon ng coins. Yan, nag-start na mag-laundry yung mga damit namin. So, 1 hour, 40 minutes bago siya matapos. Morning! Naka-check out na kami ngayon sa Mercure Sapporo and we're heading back to Tokyo. So from our hotel, we're walking now going to Susukino station para makarating sa Sapporo station. Sobrang lakas ng snow kahapon, so ayan. Ayan yung aftermath niya. Sobrang snowy. And may mga nag-poplow na ng mga snow sa kalsada. Kanina may ano yung parang car na nagtatanggal din ng snow sa kalsada. Yan. Very snowy.
Overall, our stay at Mercure Sapporo made our winter trip so much more comfortable and convenient. From the smooth check-in, cozy rooms, and hearty breakfast, plus the perfect location in Susukino. Definitely, we highly recommend staying this hotel if you're visiting Hokkaido, especially in the winter. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media account, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure. Goodbye!